Hello, my friends. Thank you so much for requesting a new custom Zoom background. We're very excited to bring this benefit to our members. We hope you like the background that we created for you. This video is going to quickly take you through how to use that background, how to get it uploaded into Zoom. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is go to your email. If you're using an Outlook type email, it might look like this. You're going to find the email that we sent you, same one you used to get to this video tutorial, and find the attachment and then download it. So you can either go just to the right of it and click Save As. I'm going to save it to my downloads folder, or you could save it to your desktop, whatever is easiest for you. So I'm going to save it to my downloads folder. Or maybe you don't have Outlook, perhaps you're using a Gmail type based service. This is mine, same thing, but in Gmail, same email. I'm going to open that email up. You can see down here at the bottom, here's the attachment. I'm going to download it. This is automatically downloading into my downloads folder. All right, so once you've got your new Zoom background downloaded, you're going to go into Zoom and upload it there. So go to Zoom, get there however you usually do, zoom.us from a regular browser window, or if you have it downloaded to your computer, you could go to it there. You're going to start a meeting, so just go to host a meeting with video on, and then open that up, open up your meeting. Here I am at the start of my Zoom meeting. So I'm just going to expand this a little bit so it's clearer. And now where you want to navigate is to your stop video button. So down here at the bottom of the screen, there is a little mute button and a stop video button. For some folks, it might be at the top of your screen, but for most folks, it's at the bottom. Next to that stop video button is a little up arrow. You're going to click that up arrow and then click where it says choose virtual background. So click there and you're going to get another pop-up window. This is your virtual background settings, and you'll see a box with yourself in it. Below that, a little label for virtual backgrounds and one for video filters. To the right of that, a little plus sign. If you click that plus sign, that is where you can add an image or video to become your new background. So we're going to click add image. And now we have to go find it. So for me, it's in the downloads folder where we downloaded it to just moments ago, but maybe you saved yours to your desktop. So if that's the case, you're going to navigate to your desktop instead. But here I have it in my downloads folder. So I'm going to select that file and click open. And there it is. It has selected itself here down in my virtual background options. Now here's the one that I had before. Here is my new one. Now, you might have noticed that the lettering is backwards. If your lettering is backwards, that is correct. I know it sounds weird and counterintuitive, but it is correct. It means that when people are looking at you on Zoom, they will see it facing the right way. So if you're looking at it and it looks correct, it looks facing forward to you, then you're going to want to toggle this button at the bottom that says mirror my video, and that's going to flip it around, which will make it weird for you, but correct for everyone else, trust me. You want to leave the button that says I have a green screen unchecked, unless you, of course, do have a green screen. Otherwise, it just makes things really funky and weird. So that's it. Then you have your brand new custom Zoom background. We hope you enjoy using it. And if anyone asks you about it, we hope you will use it as a perfect opportunity to tell them how much you love the Academy and invite them to come to some of our programs or maybe even to become a member themselves. Thanks. Bye.